Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all of my current favorite products. I have some beauty items, I have some skincare items, I also have some clothes and just kind of some other random things that I am loving right now. Also, just to point out the obvious, I am not where I normally film. To be honest, I sat down in front of my vanity with my cute twinkle lights ready to go, and my 2-year-old walked in and decided that he had to sleep in my bed tonight. So that is why I am in a room with a blank yellow wall behind me. I had to go into a different room and film this video because mom life. So I am sorry that this is not as aesthetically pleasing as my other videos. Hopefully, fingers crossed, I will have my own beauty room someday and I won't have this issue, but I still hope you enjoyed this video. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit subscribe before you leave and give this video a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Also, every single item in this video will be linked down below, and if for some reason I can't find one of the items, I will definitely put a link down there that's similar or comparable to the item that I mentioned in this video. So, all right, let's just get right into it. Okay, so I'm gonna start with beauty products, and I'm gonna start with brushes. So my first and foremost favorite brush at the moment is the JH03. I talked about this briefly in, which video was it? It was one of my makeup tutorials, but I was talking about how I never usually use foundation brushes to put on my liquid foundation. I just have never found a brush that I fell in love with that blended nicely. It just wasn't quite it. I've come close, but just nothing that's quite like this. This brush gives you beautiful coverage, and it also blends so beautifully. I could literally put on my foundation with this brush and not have to go over it with a beauty blender. Usually that's what I have to do when I use a brush. Not with this guy. If you don't want to get the whole Jaclyn Hill bundle, or if you only want a few of the brushes, I highly recommend this brush right here. I'm absolutely obsessed. I currently use the L'Oreal Pro Glow foundation. It's like my favorite foundation. I'll go in with this, and it gives me such a perfect and just beautiful coverage. I can't even explain it, you guys. It's just so good. You need this. Okay, these are my last two for my favorite brushes, and they're very similar, so that's why I have them together. The first one is the JH30 brush that looks like that. And the other one is the M504. Now these brushes are very similar and perform the same way and for the same things. The JH one is a little bit bigger and fluffier, as you can see there, whereas this one's a little bit more tapered. And these brushes I absolutely love for just putting a wash of color over your eye, or for just blending out your eyeshadow. I honestly could not live without these brushes in my eyeshadow routine. These brushes are so essential to me to blending out my eyeshadow and really getting that beautiful eye look. So highly recommend these. Next up, you probably could have guessed this if you watched my last YouTube video, but I am so obsessed with this palette. Oh my gosh, you guys. If you haven't seen my other videos, you know that I am new to the, oh, I just hit myself. I really need to get it together. If you haven't seen my last videos, you know that I am newer to the Jeffree Star Cosmetics game. Like, I don't have a lot of his stuff. This is my first time really trying anything out. And this Blood Sugar palette, I'm trying to open it for you. Here it is so beautiful. It blends so incredibly. The colors are amazing. The pigments are amazing. I absolutely love this palette and highly recommend it. I know it's out of stock all the time, so I apologize for that, but if you can get your hands on this, I highly recommend it. I think it's for sure worth every single penny. Okay, next up is another Jeffree Star Cosmetics item, and this is a specific highlight shade in this palette, and it's the Sarcophagus. I said it right. This highlight has become my everything, really. I mean, really. I've been wearing it every single day. I've gotten so many compliments. It's so beautiful. I don't know where it's been all my life, to be honest. I don't know what I've been doing with my life without this in my life. That was a lot, but highly recommend this highlight. My absolute favorite. Okay, I promise this is my last Jeffree Star Cosmetics item. I promise. It is the Mannequin Velour Liquid Lip. And again, if you've been watching my channel, you already know I'm obsessed with this. Today I'm wearing it on my lips, and I'm also using the Celebrity Skin lip liner with the Mannequin. Love this combination. But the Mannequin Liquid Lip and the Mannequin lip liner has been my everyday lip color. I can even just dab a little bit on with some chapstick, or I can do a full lip liner with the liquid lip, and I'm obsessed. It's my favorite. My next beauty item that I love is this Dose of Colors blush. Top says blush like you mint it, and the shade is Amaze Mint. and it looks like this. It's such a pretty corally peach color, and it has a little bit of shimmer in it as well. I'm wearing it today and I'm absolutely obsessed with this color. I usually use MAC Melba, which is another favorite of mine. It has been for years, but I recently started using this shade in particular and I love it so much. Okay, next up is the MAC Mineralize Skin Finish Powder. I used to use this powder all the time and I just fell in love with it. It just makes my skin look so beautiful and soft. It's just such a good powder, so I highly recommend this if you haven't tried it yet. I also used to get the darker shade of the Skin Finish and use it as a bronzer as well. So okay, last but definitely not least in the beauty items is the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. Girl, so good. And I feel like I am so late to this because this product has been out for I think years. I mean, I could be wrong, but this is definitely like the Fit Me brand has been out for a while and I've never tried this and I don't know why. I was at Target one day and I was like, I need a new powder. Like, let me try this out. And it's so amazing. I use this powder to set my under eye concealer and set my concealer on my chin and nose and forehead area. I use the shade Fair in this powder and it's just so good. So if you have not tried this powder yet, please try it and let me know how you like it because I'm obsessed. I really am. Okay, now let's get into skin and body care. I have a couple items to talk about today. First up, I'm going to be talking about a moisturizer that I absolutely love that I've been using for about 6 months now, and that is the, I have no idea how to say this, Roche Posay. Hopefully I said that right. This is the Double Wear Face Moisturizer. I got this at Target. This whole line is at Target. They have a facial cleanser as well. They have cleansers and moisturizers and serums for all skin types. It says it is a dual action soothing moisturizer with a high concentration of La Roche-Posay prebiotic thermal water. Helps to replenish essential moisture for up to 48 hours, restore skin's natural protective barrier. I personally have very dry skin and this moisturizer has been absolutely incredible for my skin. It's not too heavy, it's not too light. I also have sensitive skin and this has been amazing for it. I don't have any redness, I don't have any irritation. I'm just very impressed with this brand. I kind of just grabbed this on a whim. Hoping that it would work, and it did. So I'm impressed with this line. I do want to try their cleansers and serums as well. So I think I'll be picking those up, and if you want to see a further review on those items as well, if you're interested, let me know because I would love to do that. Okay, next up is a brand that I'm just super excited about. And no, this is not sponsored in any way whatsoever. None of this stuff is. These are just brands that I have truly grown to love, and this brand in particular is Love Beauty and Planet. So it's kind of a funny story how I discovered them. I was at my mom's house and my little sister was there and she smelled so good. And I was like, Grace, what are you wearing? What perfume is that? Like, you smell so bomb. She's like, oh, it's actually this new shampoo and conditioner I use. And I was like, yeah, tell me, I want it now. So I have the shampoo and conditioner of the Muru Butter and Rose scent. I have the body wash and the deodorant. I love the smell of this. I wish I could have you smell it through the camera. It's so good. It's so potent and fragrant, but like in the best way possible. I just feel so like feminine and just great when I wear this stuff. I also love this brand and just what they stand for. It's vegan and it's organic coconut oil, natural Muru butter, ethically sourced rose, safe for colored hair, vegan, plant-based cleanser, not tested on animals, no silicones, no parabens, no dyes, no guilt. I love this brand. I love these products. I love the way they smell. They also have a few other scents as well if you're not into the rose. I don't remember off the top of my head what they are, but they do smell just as yummy. And I did purchase these at Target, and again, I'll have it linked below. Okay, my next product I'm going to share is kind of random. If you have watched some of my previous videos and follow me on social media, you know that I met Jaclyn Hill last month, and she gifted me and the other 4 girls some Christmas presents, and one of them was the Nest candle, and it was the holiday scent. And it's an incredible candle. It smells so homey and just, it's so good. So my husband and I were at Nordstrom doing some Christmas shopping and we found this. This is the Nest room spray in the scent Holiday, and oh my gosh. My husband is the one who actually saw it and he was like, we have to get this. I was like, yes, we do. I love to spray this in my living room, in my bedroom, just to make my house smell amazing. But we primarily leave this in the bathroom for obvious reasons. Okay, so the last things I'm going to be talking about are just a few clothing items that I currently love. First and foremost, I have been obsessed with this Carhartt beanie. I'm usually not a huge beanie person, not because I don't like them, but because I haven't really found any that look good on me. I have a tiny head, so a lot of beanies just look really big or I look like a baby. My husband actually bought me this before we went on a trip where it was snowy and we were going snowboarding. I was like, shoot, I need a beanie. He works at a local men's clothing store here where we live, and he had a couple of these in his shop, so he grabbed me one before we left, and I am so obsessed. It's warm, it fits my head perfectly, a little baggy at the top so it's still trendy. Yeah, I just need one of these in every single color. Okay, next up, I am obsessed with the fuzzy Sherpa trend right now, and I am obsessed with this Levis jacket. It's so warm, it's so cute, a little oversized, and it's long too. It goes down to like mid-thigh, which I love because I could even wear it with leggings or I could wear it with jeans. It's just so cute. Okay guys, so my last item is another cozy one. This is from Topshop, and it's a little half zip sweatshirt. It's so cute. It has a little heart right here. I love this color. It's super cozy, super cute. They also have this in gray and I believe a cream color. I got a lot of questions about this sweatshirt on one of my previous vlogs, and I thought I would share it here and hopefully you guys can snag one. Alright guys, so that completes my current favorite items as of right now. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like me to keep doing these favorite videos, maybe monthly, please let me know. I really enjoyed filming this video for you guys. And if you decide to try any of these products, please let me know. I would love to hear what you guys purchased and if you like them. So if you do, definitely leave a comment down below or send me a DM on my Instagram page. I would love to hear from you. And again, just thank you so much for watching and supporting and subscribing. I really appreciate every single one of you, and I love just connecting with you guys and being able to make these videos. So thank you, happy new year, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.